Right guys, we are here at Jump Shack here in Koh Samui. Geezer does, it's all being renovated. It's all been done, but this is a pool. And you got your big diving board coming off her. So he does like Instagram reels and like he's on like day 40 whatever, but yeah, we're gonna be getting on the reel. I'm gonna vlog it obviously. And yeah, let's get to the top of her and see what it's about. I think he's gonna be coming up and jumping off with me, but I don't know. I say you got like level one there. Fucking hell. And obviously you got level 2 up here. This is higher. Oh my god. You know, sometimes when you have like second thoughts about something and like, oh, this might be a mistake. I think it might be one of these times because that's pretty high. Do you know how I feel like? I feel like Mr. Bean. You ever see him when he's off the jumping board? That's how I feel like. Oh, fucking hell. And the t-shirt's off. We mean business. Right, this is going to be it. Can't believe how high it is though, do you know what I mean? Fuck it up. Yeah, you got the geezer down there. Just got to get in and do it, innit? If you haven't already, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I'm here in Koh Samui, jumping off. Oh fuck. Fuck it.
Right, this is day 46 of jumping off the diving board every single day. Now we've got a special guest, Greeky VIP down here. People? Let's have it.
Oh, ready?
Stay green.
Oh. Whenever it's not me jumping in, my eyes
Let's have it.
Oh, ready? Oh, fucking hell. Like and subscribe, people. That's better than the first one. That's right. That was a good one. And that is the end of the Jump Shack, people. I'm currently now sitting back on my mate's balcony looking for an Astro. So there it is. But yeah, that is the end of the Jump Shack. Get yourself down to Koh Samui if you ever are here. Get yourself down there. You can jump off that board like myself. But yeah, give myself. I can't even speak. I'm that excited. There's adrenaline still going through me, and the mosquitoes are biting me to shit. But yeah, get yourself down to Jump Shack, and I shall see you there.